Sri Gurupya Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard business max state board chapter 7 exercise 7.1 18th sum. Assume that a drug causes a serious side effect at a rate of 3 patient per 100. What is the probability at least one person will have a side effect in a random of sample 10 patient? See here, you can take it as 3 out of 100. 3, that is the probability of drug side effect. You can take it as let P be the probability of, let P be the probability of, let P be the probability of drug side effect of drug side effect drug side effect. So 3 patient out of 100, that is 3 by 100 side effect. It gives 3 by 100. You can take it as a sample piece of 10 patient. What is the probability of at least one? What is the meaning for that at least one? Greater than or equal to 1. See here, P equal to 3 by 100. 3 by 100 is 0.03. Q equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.03 equal to 0.97. You can take the n value. Sample piece is 10. At least one person, will have side effect, will have side effect. What is the meaning of at least? At least means greater than or equal to. That is P of x greater than or equal to 1. But it is not possible to write all the values because it will take time. It is a lengthy process. Greater than or equal to 1 means you are going to write up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10. So you move on to this value 1 minus P of x less than 1. X less than 1, it gives 1 minus P of x equal to 0. 1 minus P of x equal to 0. What is the binomial formula? Binomial P of x equal to x ncx p power x q power n minus x, binomial distribution. X can takes the value. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n. So P of x equal to, it gives P of x greater than or equal to 1 equal to 1 minus P n C naught, n value is 10, 10 C naught, P power, P value is 0.03 whole power, 0.03 whole power 0 and 0.97 whole power 10 minus 0 whole power 10 minus 0. So it gives P of x greater than or equal to 1 equal to 1 minus 10 c 0, 0.03 whole power 0, 0.97 whole power 10. Anything to the power 0 value is 1. 1 10 c naught, n c naught value is also 1. 0.97 whole power 10. So you can do it in a calculation by calculator. You get the value 0.7374. So the value is 0. You subtract the value, you're getting the value 0.2626. That is probability x greater than or equal to 1. At least one person will have a side effect value is 0.2626. Now you move on to the 19th sum. Consider 5 mice from the same litter at all suffering from vitamin A deficiency. they are feed a certain dose of carrot to recover the disease, the probability of recovery is 0.73. See, to feed a carrot to recovery from the disease, the probability of recovery, so you can take it as a P equal to probability of mice recovering from a vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency, what is the probability of at least three of the five mice? So what is the value of n here? Yeah, 3 out of 5. So you can take it as a sample piece, 5 mice. 5. So n equal to 5. You can take it as a sample piece, 5. N equal to 5. Let P be the probability of, let P be the probability, let P be the probability of mice recovering from vitamin A deficiency. Mice recovering from vitamin A deficiency, from vitamin A deficiency, vitamin A deficiency. So it gives P equal to 0.73. P equal to 0.73. P equal to 0.73. What is the value of Q? P equal to 0.73. Q equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.73. It gives Q value is Q equal to 0.27. You can take it as, because 3 out of 5, 3 of the 5, so that n value is 5. You have to, you're going to see about the probability of at least 3 mice recover. P, probability of probability of at least 3 mice, at least 3 mice recover, probability of at least 3 mice recover. What is the meaning for that? At least, at least means greater than or equal to. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 means you can write 3, 4, 5. Either you can choose P of x equal to 3, P of x equal to 4, and P of x equal to 5, because n value is 5. Or you can choose 1 minus P of x less than 3. Both are equal only, equal values only. So 1 minus P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x, x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. So what is the binomial distribution formula? P of x equal to x, ncx, p power x, q power n minus x, where x can takes the value 0, 1 to etc. up to n. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 means 1 minus 5c naught, 5c naught, nc naught, p power value is 0.73 whole power 0, then q power. So I did in the next page. See here, P of x greater than or equal to 3. P of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus 1 minus P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. So it gives 1 minus NC naught, 5C naught, P power 0, 0.73 power 0, then Q power n minus 0, 0.27 whole power 5 minus 0, plus 5C1, 0.73 whole power 1, 0.27 whole power 5 minus 1, plus 5 ca 2, 0.73 the whole square, 0.27 the whole power 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. It gives 1 minus 5c naught value is 1 into power 0 value is 1 into 0.27, 0.27 whole power 5 plus 5c1 value is 5 into 0.73, 73 into 0.27 whole power 4 plus 5c2. 5c2 is 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 0.73 the whole square into 0.27 the whole cube. So what is the value? 1 minus 0.27. 0.27 whole power 5 plus 5 into 0.73 into 0.24 the whole power 4. Then 5 twos are 10 into 0.73 the whole square into 0.27 the whole cube. So the value, you can do it in a calculator. See the values. Values are, see the values. See the values 1 minus 1 minus 0 point. You can do it in a calculator. 0.0143. You can check the value. You can do it, do the calculation in the calculator rough work column. You can check the value 0.1939. You can do it. Can do all the calculation part. 0.10489. So 1 minus, you can add all the values, 0.1257. When we subtract, what is the answer? 0.8743. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 0.8743. 0.8743. Okay. See the next sum, 10th sum. An experiment succeeds twice as often as it fails. What is the probability that in next 5 trials, there will be 3 success and at least 3 success? See, you can choose as a P be the probability of success. Let P be the probability of success. Let P be the probability of success. Probability of success, and Q be the probability of failure. Probability of success and Q be the probability of failure. Q be the probability of failure. Probability of failure. So you can take it as a random 5 trials. Take in a random 5 trials. So n equal to 5. N equal to 5. N equal to 5. See, P equal to, they have given in the question, twice. Twice as often it fails. So P equal to 2Q. P equal to 2Q. P equal to 2 into 1 minus P, because P plus Q value is equal to 1. Q equal to 1 minus P. So N equal to 5. P equal to 2 minus 2P. P plus 2P equal to 2. 3P equal to 2 and P equal to 2 by 3. P equal to 2 by 3. Then Q equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 2 by 3. So what is the value of Q? Q equal to 3 minus 2 by 3. Q equal to 1 by 3. Q equal to 1 by 3. Probability of 3 success. Probability will be 3 success. probability, there will be 3 probability of 3 success, 3 success, successes, probability of 3 successes. P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. What is the binomial distribution formula? P of x equal to x, ncx, p power x, q power n minus x, where x can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n. So P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. N value is 5. 5C3. P value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole power 3. Then Q value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole power 5 minus 3. So P of x equal to 3 equal to 5C3. 5C3 is 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 by 3 the whole cube into 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square. 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel. The answer is 10 into 2 by 3 the whole cube, 1 by 2 the whole square, 1 by 2 the whole square. So what is the value for this? 10 into 8 by 27 into 1 by 4. 8 by 27 into 8 by 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27 into 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So it gives 20 by 27. 20 by 27. See, 5 twos are 10 into 2 cube is 8 by 2 cube is 8 by. So the q value is what? 1 by 3. See, the q value is 1 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. See here, q value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 the whole cube. Q value is 1 by 3 the whole cube. See here, q value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 the whole square. 1 by 3 the whole square, it gives 10 into 2 cube by 3 cube into 1 by 3 square. So 10 into 8 by 3 power 5. So it gives 80 by 243. It gives 80 by 243 because the q value is not 1 by 2. Q value is 1 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. See, what is the next one? At least 3 success. At least means P of x greater than or equal to 3. Either you can choose 3, 4, 5 because n equal to 5, or you will move on to 1 minus P of x less than 3. X less than 3. So 1 minus P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. So it gives 1 minus 5c naught 2 by 3 whole power 0, then 1 by 5 whole power 5 minus 0 plus 5c1 2 by 3, that is p by p power 1, then q power 5 minus 1, q power 5 minus 1, q power 5 minus 1. Q value is 1 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. 2 by 3. Q value is, P value is 2 by 3 and Q value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 5C2 2 by 3 whole power 2 and 2 by 3 whole power 2 and 1 by 3 the whole power 5 minus 2, 1 by 3 the whole power 5 minus 2. So it gives 1 minus 5c naught value 1. This value is also 1. 1 by 3 the whole power 5. 1 by 3 the whole power 5 plus 5c1 value is 5. 2 by 3 the whole power 1. 1 by 3 the whole power 4. 1 by 3 the whole power 4 plus 5c2. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2 by 3 the whole square. 1 by 3 the whole cube. 1 by 3 the whole cube. So it gives, see here, it gives 1 minus p of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 the whole power 5 plus 5 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 the whole power 4 plus 10 into 2 square by 3 square, 2 square by 3 square into 1 by 3 cube, 1 by 3 cube. So it means 1 minus, you can take it as 1 by 3 power 5 plus 5 twos are 10 by 3 power 5 plus 10 into 4, 40 by 3 power 5. 40 by 3 power 5. So it gives 1 minus 1 by 3 power 5. You can take it as commonly out. 1 by 3 power 5. You can take it as commonly out. 1 plus 10 plus 40. 1 plus 10 plus 40. 1 minus 1 by 243. 1 by 243 into 51. So what is the answer for this? 1 minus p of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus 51 by 243. It gives 243 minus 51 by 243. What is the value for p of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 192 by 243. 192 by 243. So it is nothing but probability of at least 3 success. I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you, children.